All right, so this week we are discussing the fifth principle of Cialdini's book, and that is social proof. Now, remember, these do not have any particular order of importance. They happen to be six principles, and they all are very, very powerful. But we wanted just to step back a minute and kind of explain again, why are we talking about this?
Well, because these are automatic behaviors that everyone does. So being aware of them, you're going to be able to utilize them to your advantage and get patients to say yes to your recommendations and get them to show up for their appointments and get them to pay you for your services. And that's the only reason we're talking about this. But social proof is probably the first one people resort to. If you don't have any information, how are you going to make a decision?
Right. And one other simple way to define it is, when in doubt, people will do what they see others doing.
Well, they figure that others must have figured it out and are making good decisions. I mean, how many times do you go to a restaurant that's completely empty?
Well, and put it another way. Let's say you're going to go to a restaurant for the first time.
Right.
And you see that there's no cars in the parking lot. There's a really pretty good chance that you're going to move on to a McDonald's or a Chili's, something that you're very, very familiar with. And so, that's just one example of people tend to go where where they see others.
And tomorrow we have got the funniest
really cool
video, and it just shows you how people will follow others.
Yeah, so what we want to do this week, tomorrow, it's really neat. We're going to show you how powerful this principle is in a very cool YouTube video. But then we want to get into how do you use this principle in your office, okay? So that's what we want to get to this week. So we look forward to it.